Hello, children. As we have finished our lesson, that is, where are my glasses? Today we shall do the exercises from that lesson. Few of the exercises. Okay. I hope all of you have understood the lesson. Now, listening. Listen to the text carefully as your teacher reads it out. Then say whether the following statements are true or false. So, as we have seen the or studied the lesson, I hope all of you have understood. मुझे यकीन है कि आप सब समझ के होंगे और अभी हमको ये एक्सरसाइज करना है। ठीक है बच्चों, अभी अगर ये स्टेटमेंट सब ठीक है तो आपको यहाँ ब्रैकेट में टी लिखना है, अगर फॉल्स है तो एफ लिखना है। ठीक है। इट इज़ ए संडे मॉर्निंग, सही है ना? ये संडे मॉर्निंग था ना? यस, सो देयरफॉर इन द ब्रैकेट टी। ओके। जय एंड निमी आर स्लीपिंग। वेयर दे स्लीपिंग? नो, दे वेर इन द डाइनिंग टेबल। ओके, सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स। ये स्टेटमेंट गलत है, इसलिए एफ लिखना है इसमें। ठीक है। मिसेस सेन इज मेकिंग ब्रेकफास्ट। क्या मिसेस सेन ब्रेकफास्ट बना रही थी? नहीं, वो ब्रेकफास्ट सर्विंग कर रही थी, इसलिए यहाँ एफ लिखना है क्योंकि ये फॉल्स है। ठीक है। नाउ ग्रैंडपा वांट्स टू रीड द न्यूज़पेपर। ये ठीक है कि गलत है? या ठीक है, ट्रू है। He wanted to read newspaper, therefore you have to write T. Okay. Now, grandpa's glasses are on the table. This is wrong. यह गलत है। His glasses were on his nose, so you have to write F. Okay. Now next, comprehension. Choose the right answer. Okay, you have to choose the right answer and write there as which is correct. Okay. Mrs. Sen is serving what? Breakfast, lunch or dinner? She was serving breakfast, so A you have to write here. Okay. Grandfather is in the dining room, living room or bedroom? He was in bedroom, so living room, ये B करेक्ट है, तो B लिखना है। ठीक है। Grandfather is looking for his pen, shoes or glasses? Glasses, therefore you have to write C. Okay. Grandpa looks what? Worried, happy or serious? He was looking worried, so you have to write A. Okay. The person who sees the glasses on Grandpa's nose is who? Mr. Sen, Nimi or Jay? Jay sees his glasses on his nose. Okay. So you have to write C. Now next, complete the following answers. You have to complete these answers. Okay. What are Jay and Nimi doing? Jay and Nimi are at the dining table. Okay, they are having breakfast. Okay, now next, what is Mr. Sen doing? Mr. Sen is watering the plants in the garden. Okay. What is grandfather looking for? Grandfather is looking for his glasses. Why does grandfather look worried? Grandfather looks worried because he is not finding his glasses. Okay. Where are grandfather's glasses? उनके ग्लास कहाँ था? चश्मा कहाँ था? grandfather's glasses are on his nose. उनका चश्मा उनका नाक ऊपर था. ठीक है. So next vocabulary. Choose the right word from the box. So ये जो blanks है इसमें आपको यहाँ से करेक्ट वर्ड चूज करके लिखना है. ठीक है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक. क्या? संडे. ओके, ऑलरेडी रिटन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट मील ऑफ द डे. ब्रेकफास्ट. वी सी प्लांट्स हियर. वेयर? गार्डन. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द डे. मॉर्निंग. You put this under your head. Pillow. Father reads this every morning. What? Newspaper. People with a weak eyesight wear these what? Glasses. You look at your face in this mirror. Okay. Now next. Write the opposites of the following words. You have to write the opposite words. ये इसका विरुद्ध शब्द लिखना है तुमको. हाँ. Pleasant. Opposite क्या? Unpleasant. Unpleasant spelling UNPLEASANT. Okay. Behind. Front. The opposite word of behind is front. FRONT. Okay. Now laugh. The opposite word of laugh is cry. CRY. Under. The opposite word of under is what? Above. New. The opposite word for new is old. Morning. The opposite word of morning is evening. Okay. So today we shall stop here, students, and these exercises which we did in this video, you have to do it in your books or notebooks. Okay. Thank you. God bless you, children. Have a nice day.